Hi, HIT students. This is Mrs. Greil at the library. Here are some hints on how to go about searching for some of these illness severity indices that you've been assigned. I would get to the library's webpage, and under the search almost everything box, I would search not only under the advanced search screen and put in the words that I'm going to demonstrate to you, but also I would search that same way in ProQuest, another database that has a lot of health related material in it, but I'm going to just demonstrate it through this search. So you go to advanced search, and for Apache, for example, I'm going to put Apache Disease Classification System, and I'm going to search that as a subject term because I've looked before, and this is a subject term in this database. And I have 702 articles, too many to go through, but you can see under the subject line it says Apache Disease Classification System. So that's to differentiate it from any other kind of just plain Apache, which could be Native Americans or Apache missiles or things like that. Now we have to and it with some other term, and by playing around I found that if we put in the term mortality or health status, and you may think of other terms that would be useful, you might want to exchange them for these and make, in this case I'm making it these are subject terms as well, searching that, and I have 225. Now just to make it a little bit easier for you, you don't have to do this, but you might want to, I'm going to suggest that you click on the full text button, and that will, at least in theory, eliminate the articles that you can't really access easily from this database. So most of the ones you'll find will say PDF full text, which means you should be able to get to the text. Now what you'll find when you have it sorted this way is that you'll see that this Apache system is being applied to certain situations, but in this case, for this particular topic, instead of sorting these by relevance, which in this case just means how many times these words have appeared in the entry, either here in the title or in the subjects or in the abstract, what I would do is go to the relevance tab and pull it down and sort it by the oldest first. And the reason for that is that when this first started to be written about, that's when they were talking about how it worked and just sort of explaining it in general, and it seems like the more recent articles are just how it's applied in a particular medical situation. So you may find some useful things this way, and as I said, you may want to switch out some of these words to for other ones that you find out about or can think of. Okay, that's it for the Apache.